This is DOMAR TV and you are in the right place. If you like this kind of video, hit the red subscribe button and the bell, so you the first to know when I upload anything new. In this video, you will learn how to survive wild animals that want to attack you. Number 1. Dog attack. Do not panic. Dogs and other animals can sense fear. If you run or scream, you may make the dog feel more confident in his attack. When a dog approaches, do not move. Stand completely still with your hands at your sides and avert your eyes. In many cases the dog will lose interest and walk away if you ignore him. Do not run away. Running away can awaken the dog's prey instinct. If the dog continues to behave aggressively, command the dog to back away. If the dog continues to threaten you, distract the dog with another object. Offer him something to chew on, such as your backpack or water bottle. This may distract him enough to give you time to escape. Number 2. Monkey attack. Sometimes the monkey seems to be smiling and their teeth are out. But this is a sign that they will attack you. Do not run away or show fear. This will just tell the monkey that you are inferior, and their aggression could intensify. Back away slowly. Don't turn your back on the monkey, but do avoid making eye contact. Show the monkey that you are not holding anything in your hands. Many monkeys attack because they think you are withholding food. If you have none, show them your empty palms. If you do have food, throw it in their direction. If a monkey tries to steal something from you, let them have it. It's likely that once they have it, they will drop it, and you will be able to recover your property. Monkeys are curious animal. Their particular interest are bags, sunglasses, jewelry, and cameras. Number 3. Wild pig attack. How to survive a wild pig attack. You need to remain calm, keep a safe distance. Slowly back away from the wild pig. If you have time, try to reach higher ground such as a large rock, car, or tree. But please consider that this might be hard to apply, due to the closeness and speed of a wild pig and surprise attack. When attacked, keep your footing. Try sidestepping quickly to avoid being swung by its tusks. If all the above fails, fight back with whatever available at hand. Sticks or your bare hands, until mauling ends. Number 4. Snake attack. If you encounter a snake in coil position and his head up, it's in striking position and could strike at you at any moment. Don't turn your back on the snake and don't run. Instead, back away from the snake at a normal walking pace until you're at least 20 feet away. If the snake loops around you, as soon as a snake begins to constrict, even if it's just being curious, hold your non-dominant arm against your rib cage. If you relax as the snake loops around you, it may not attempt to constrict you. The snake may just be curious. Struggling, however, prompts the snake to squeeze. So, remain still, and don't panic. Struggling also communicates to the snake that you're edible prey. If you remain static, the snake will not be sure if you're edible and should move off. Having an arm against your chest will also prevent the snake from forcing air out of your lungs with its constrictions. You mustn't let the snake wrap itself around both of your hands. Keep your non-dominant hand pinned against your chest. Then, grab the snake around its head or neck with your other hand and pull the constricting snake backward. Unwind the coiling snake by unlooping the tight layers of the snake's coiled body. Number 5. Shark attack. If hungry sharks are around you, don't panic. Keep vertical in the water with your head up and your legs dangling downward. If you're swimming, take occasional pauses and stop swimming so you'll look less like a seal to a hungry shark below. Remain still if you feel the shark brush against you. Sharks often investigate unknown objects by nosing up against them, then swimming away if the object doesn't appear to be interesting or a food source. So if the shark bumps against you, it's not necessarily a sign of aggression. It's more likely a sign of curiosity. Wave and shout to signal for help above water and generally draw the attention of people on shore. If the shark bites you, defend yourself against an attacking shark by punching and scratching at the animal's eyes and gills. If the shark continues to bite, keep your hands out of its mouth and keep fighting until the shark leaves. Number 6. Crocodile attack. Crocodiles have the strongest bite force of all creatures on Earth. What if they attacked you? Run away from the crocodile as quickly as you can, as fast as they are in the water. The top land speed for a crocodile is only 17 km/h, a speed that most humans can surpass over short distances. If the animal has dragged you under the water, grabbing hold the flap of tissue behind the tongue that covers their throats. This flap prevents water from flowing into their throats and prevents the crocodile from drowning when its mouth is open. Once you get hold of the valve, it will cause water to flow into the crocodile's throat, forcing it to release you. If the crocodile bites you, you should try to get away before a crocodile initiates the death roll. You are not likely to escape by being docile. Fight back. Hit it in the most sensitive spots, like the eyes. If the animal starts to roll in the direction with them. You can easily receive great bodily harm to whatever part of you is caught in the crocodile's jaws if you don't roll with them. Once the animal releases you, get away. The death roll uses up a lot of energy and stamina in a crocodile, and leaves them virtually immobilized while they try to regain all this back. A couple of consecutive rolls will probably cause the animal to release you, giving you time to escape. Please remind, all animals mentioned in this video, they only attack to defend their territory or defend themselves, or their nature is carnivorous animals. Hence, do not capture this animal nor kill them. All you have to do is report it to the authorities for proper action. If you have something to share, please let me know in the comment section below. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give this video thumbs up and share. Thank you for watching.